Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Monday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We have a pretty active week on the way. Plenty of rain and storm chances. More on the isolated to scattered side for today and into tomorrow. And then we kind of spike with the rain chances. They become much more widespread Tuesday night into Wednesday. And then a little bit of a break as we go into Wednesday night. But then some very isolated chances to close out the week. When all is said and done, I think 1 to 3 inches of rain can be expected across the area. And it is a wide range because of the scattered nature of how the showers and storms will set up. Some will see more than others, obviously. And as you look at the severe risk, we do have some strong storm potential for today and into tonight. You can see the level 3 out of 5 risk off in Minnesota, level 2 out of 5 clipping our northwestern counties, level 1 out of 5 for everybody else. So those storms develop up in this region. They move in really for this evening and tonight, and then they should weaken as they come across. So no alert day today, but there will be an alert day for tomorrow because there is that level 2 out of 5 risk into our southwestern counties. Level 1 out of 5 for everybody else. I think a slightly better chance for some strong to severe storms come Tuesday, especially for areas south of Highway 20. And then by Wednesday, the severe threat should be shifting out, but it will be the chance for some heavy rainfall. And again, more widespread rain there for Wednesday. Here is Futurecast. So even this morning, we already have some isolated activity going on in our northwestern counties. And we could see some on and off chances for rain today, just not extremely widespread. We're going to have partly cloudy skies. And then as we start to make our way back into this evening, that's going to be that strong storm potential. You'll kind of see the line working its way in from the northwest after about 7 p.m. And then they just kind of weaken as they push to the southeast. So that's the overnight chance. And then as we go into tomorrow, we're going to have to watch for areas south of Highway 20. That's where it's going to be a little bit warmer underneath a warm front and more humid. And you'll notice a few of these cells popping up. So that's what we would watch out for the potential for some damaging wind gusts and some large hail. But then really as we go into Tuesday night and Wednesday, there is still some uncertainty as to when the main bulk of rain will arrive. But we will see it at some point, and you can see how widespread it will be, along with some heavy rainfall. And then by Wednesday night, a lot of that will kick out of the area. So with all that, going to still be pretty humid here throughout this week. Looking at dew points about the mid to upper 60s. Slight drop on Thursday, then we're right back to some humidity for Friday. In fact, we're looking at a pretty hot weekend on the way. You'll see that on the 7-day here in just a second. Otherwise, for today, we have high temperatures that will be in about the mid to upper 80s. And then for tonight, we drop down to the mid 60s. Some will be in the upper 60s there for our southern counties. Tomorrow, you'll notice it's pretty hot in the south. That's the higher severe risk. Further off to the north, not as hot. We'll be in about the low 80s there. But then you can see a much cooler day on Wednesday, 70s and low 80s because of all the rain and the clouds and even a northwest wind. But watch what happens after that. We are going to be warming up quickly back to 90 on Friday. Then I have highs right at 95 with plenty of sunshine for both Saturday and Sunday.